unboxing from Elegant Glass Nails. I can't wait to see what they sent us for the nail taking of the Smokies. Check it out. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Look at all these foil transfers. Myra from Elegant Glass Nails, thank you so much. Look at all of this. This is insane. And these are going to be given out to the nail techs at the nail tech event at the Smokies coming up July 14th at the Gatlinburg, Tennessee Convention Center. Look at from Elegant Glass. You got to go to their website, elegantglassnails.com. Check them out. Vintage flower 10-piece set number 2. Let's see what this one's called. That one is foil number 45, 10-piece set, assorted designs. There's just a whole assortment. This is another 10-piece set of mixed fruits. These are amazing. Oh my gosh, this is just like Christmas. Our nail techs are absolutely going to go bonkers.